Welcome to the Hibiscus Villa at Couples San Sushi. This was probably one of my favorite rooms to tour at this resort. It is a private oasis spa villa. We're heading downstairs. You have this private terraced infinity pool that overlooks these beautiful ocean views. The view from this villa is absolutely stunning. There's a private patio area over there for you to sit down. There's where you can have all of your spa services done in your room. There's a private outdoor shower. Now we're going to head upstairs. Look at the view from upstairs. It is so pretty. And here's your patio with your table. Once you enter, you're going to be entering into your bedroom. There's a small living room off to the side, your private mini bar with your TV, your customizable bar with the drinks that you prefer. And then you'll see the bedroom, king size bed. I didn't get a chance to get into the bathroom, but there's his and her shower in there as well.